Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel once more. This is your girl Pauline and I am back with another interesting video. This one is of a kind. It's not just interesting, but it's also going to be educative. I will be showing you how I used the Bongo Twist to plait Senegalese twist on my African mother's hair. So I used 3 packets of the Bongo Twist and this is how they look. Okay, initially we had bought 2 packets, but I was not aware that the pieces inside are actually very few. So we had to add another packet so that we would achieve the look that we were looking forward to. I also used the wax that is from the Bamsi company to help me with applying on the hair to make sure that it looked neat, especially when I was parting. Yeah, and also to make sure that we got hold of all the hair. Yeah, so this is me parting the hair here, and as you can see, this was not a very tedious process, especially because this is something I love doing and I had also missed doing this. I have not plaited hair for a very long time. I actually thought that I might have forgotten how to do it, but let me tell you, after plaiting this hair, I realized that I still have the skills. I mean, it's good to teach yourself some of these skills, but it's not that easy to forget them. Yeah, so I had so much plaiting this hair. Yeah, so this is me showing you how I did it. So first, after parting the hair, I applied some wax, not much, kidogo tu, and then I started twisting from one side, as you can see, twisting like that. Yeah, and it's not good to make it too tight down there because you're likely to hurt the scalp. So after twisting like that, I twisted only once using the other hand in the opposite direction and then kept twisting. And as you can see, this way of twisting always gives such good results, as you can see here. Yeah, and yeah, as you can see, I still have the speed. Yeah, so I didn't keep my mother waiting to have her hair done. This was so much fun. I had really missed doing this. You know why? Once I was done, I twisted it, like I wrapped the end like that to make sure that I didn't leave it in a position where it was going to run. Yeah, and that was the final look, guys. Look how beautiful it is and how intact it is. I mean, this hair is going to last a long while. So let's go on and plait the second one. The process is just the same. Yeah. And as you can see on this braid, there is that part where they have left a bit straight compared to the other parts. So that means that is the part where you're supposed to fix. Yes, as you can see here, twisting on one side using one hand, and then the other hand will twist in the opposite direction so that they lock. Yes, and then you proceed. I believe by now, if you've been interested in learning how to twist, you've learned something already. This is the easiest method. I know that there are so many methods out there. There are some people who start off with a braid, like they braid it using the hair and the 2 strands, and then they start twisting at some point. Then there are others who usually twists who usually take the braid around the hair so that you have like a knot, and then they proceed to twist. But the good thing with this style is that it always gives very neat results, and it's time saving, and it looks beautiful. Yeah, by the end of the day, you'll be able to see how beautiful this hair turned out. And even when it comes to styling, it is not painful, and it always looks neat. Yeah, so stay tuned. Watch the rest of the video. Comment down below. Let me know how you found this particular way of twisting. Yeah, and the good thing with this hair, you can use it with hot water. After you're done twisting, you can style it wherever you want. And what even really caught my attention is that you can actually use this kind of braids to twist again. Like after undoing this hair, she can still twist again using it. So I can't wait for the time when she will be like, oh, I'm tired of this hair, let's undo it. And then that time where we have to redo it using this same braids. I can't wait to see how it's going to look at, but I believe it's going to be so nice and so beautiful. Yeah, so I always begin by plaiting the sides, and then like you have to make sure that as you part the hair, you're doing it in a way that the braids will be very well arranged so that they look neat for easier styling. If she wants to let them loose, then the way you part should make it easy, okay? Yeah.
You know I'm working. You know I'm Mix Missy, Erica, Incense and Prince, product, joy, magic and muscle. That McCoy with the hustle. We've been working. Circle small as pinky rings. My people play their position. Puzzle pieces complete the vision. Yeah, we've been working like the Energizer rock non-stop. Bad bunnies drive to the drum line now. We've been working, we've been working, we've been working, yeah, we've been working, yeah, we've been. Last night we sent our sorrows to.
So by the time I was halfway, this is the look that we had. You see how beautiful it looked? And the good thing with Bongo Twist is that it's a bit long. You know, there is also the Milo kinky, which resembles this one, but is usually very short. So this is us almost 3/4 way. And you know that this part of the head is the one that usually contains a lot of hair. So when you're parting your hair, you have to be very careful so that by the time you're getting to the front of the head, you've not used all the strands, and now you have to maybe part bigger chunks of hair, okay? Yeah, so it's always good to be very careful when you're parting your hair so that you part uniform amounts, and also make sure that the strands are the same size so that you don't have some that are too thick than others. Yes, and because this type of braids are not very thick, yes, you have to make sure that you buy enough packets. So if you have a lot of hair, just buy 3 to 4 packets, okay?
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
So guys, as you can see, we are progressing on well, and this was the final look, guys. We were done within no time. I hope that by this time, if you've been following, you've learned something. This style is very easy to make. I was so proud of my work, as you can see, and my mother was very happy. She was very happy, and now it was time to either style it or just tie it up. But before that, I decided to use my castor oil to oil her scalp, so as to avoid itchiness and also to make sure that her hair grows more and thicker and more healthy. So I applied it in plenty, as you can see, and I was applying it on the scalp, to be specific, and after that I massaged it through her scalp, and she was really grateful. This hair has really helped me. It has really helped my hair, guys, and it's really nice. So once we were done with that, we went ahead now to tie the hair. Okay, so let me show you after this. Of course, after finishing oiling, let me show you how we did it with the help of my sister, who is also she's also very talented, by the way. She knows how to plait. Yes, so this is the final look, and we were just tying up the hair, and we were making sure that we are arranging it properly. And then as you tie it, you should always follow the direction of the hair so that you don't hurt your client. Okay, so we did it very carefully, of course, because we know that the scalp was by this time a bit irritated, because you know how painful your scalp can be when you're done having your hair plaited, so we had to be very careful.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast.
So my mother had applied some black shampoo on her hair, so it somehow got to her hairline, and that's why it looks a bit more dark. Yeah, so the process was a bit slow because we didn't want to hurt her head. Yeah, and within no time we had achieved the final look. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you've learned something from this video, and I'm looking forward to do another video of this kind so that those of you who love watching such videos can learn something from it. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below which other style you'd like us to do a tutorial of. What else you'd like to see on our channel. Thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate you. And if you have not subscribed yet, kindly do so that you don't miss our next video. Thank you very much. And kwaheri. We love you.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it up. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup, yeah, we go slow.